Hey guys, Cool Gaming here. Gonna go ahead and show you guys how to use and install Mod Engine 2 for Elden Rings. Assuming you guys already have this part down, the anti-cheat toggle and offline launcher, go ahead and go to the GitHub website. This will be linked down below in the description. Go ahead and download the asset for the zip file. Once that's installed, go ahead and extract that wherever you'd like. Just a recommendation, don't put it in your Steam folder with your Elden Ring game folder. But let's go ahead and open up Mod Engine folder. Inside of this folder will be a mod folder, and that's where you're going to place all of your mods downloaded from Nexus. So I've already downloaded this Dante mod here. We could go ahead and extract that all into mod. And from here, it's pretty much plug and play. You're going to want to launch Elden Ring through the bat file. Anytime you play a modded game, you're going to want to use this launch mod here. And what I do recommend as well is pasting a shortcut out here just for easier access. So let's go ahead and launch it. And as you can see, we are playing an offline mode, no notes or anything. Let's go ahead and equip the mods that we've downloaded, which replaces Blade's armor set. And bam, we got Dante, the son of Sparta, trying to become the Elden Lord. We've also got his rebellious sword, replacing the Gargoyle Greatsword. And I'll show you guys how to play a vanilla game, so you can play online, and so you can play with your friends, do PvP. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so when you exit out, go to your game folder here, and make sure you delete any extra mods, if you have installed any, into your actual game folder. As you can see, I have nothing installed. If you have a regulation bin that you replaced with a mod, make sure you back that up. Otherwise, toggle anti-cheat back on, make sure it's enabled so you can play online. Make sure all the mods are gone so you don't get banned. Go ahead and launch Elden Ring as usual through Steam folder, Steam desktop. To log back in just because I deactivated my auto login, and you should get the typical multiplayer message. If you get anything saying about temporary ban, soft ban, that means you did not delete any of your mods, so they unfortunately found out that your game is modified pretty much. But otherwise, if you follow the steps, you should be able to enter in multiplayer with no problem. You should be able to see messages on the ground. You should also be able to fight PvP, summon your friends, play online. There you go. So that's how you use Mod Engine 2. Create a separate mod file so you can play a modded game, and then you could always hop back into your base vanilla game. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.